so sino po ang mas masipag sa inyo?
Ay, sino? Ikaw na lang.
Yes, sure yan.
I'll take it.
I'll take it.
Tama.
Okay, the answer is Sir Josh. Right. Okay, sige. Sino ang unang nagsusorry sa inyo pag nag-aaway kayo? Wow!
Charit!
Okay.
Tama.
Parang
Josh, lahat yan
oh, who is funnier? I will support you.
Mama, nagkatawa.
Ma'am, anong ambag mo?
Tawa.
Support.
Who is better cook?
Ay,
Her.
Wow! Patikim naman kami.
may sumunod pang ting,
Who dances better? Siyempre, ikaw. Oh, sabi sa'yo, may ambag ka na eh.
Meron na, thank you, Lord.
3-2.
Okay, who spends the most time on their phone? It's a tie, okay.
Pwede bang it's a tie?
Sige, pwede naman. Sige, next. Who is more patient?
Lately?
Lately?
Lately si Kate.
Ay. Thank you.
I do ko na na.
Parang
Lately, in the past 5 hours lang.
Sige. Who made the first move?
Huwag ka na mag-move.
Apay ka, kimita ka kayo.
Kita ka lang na i-validate na. Siya mo, di ba?
I think so.
You don't remember?
Sino unang nag-I love you? Wow.
Pati sa
Pati sa...
kamay nga to.
Same, ganun na ako.
No, thank you for coming. Enjoy the food. There will be more activities later. So ang kayo pumunta panaw.
Yes.
We'll be back and we editing sa ganaming basit niya. Surprise. You know, fabulous prices. So if you want some of those, just hang back and relax, and we'll see you soon.
Yes.
Happy face. Hey fam. Thank you for coming. Hey fam. Hey fam.
Hi.
Thank you for coming.
Yes. Thank you for coming. Thank you for coming.
Sit back.
Sit back, relax, and enjoy.
We'll be right back.
Don't miss us so much.
Enjoy the fellowship.
Enjoy the fellowship. Sulat kayo pag may time.
Ano, nag-game na yan.
Nag-game na yan?
Okay na yan.
Yeah.
Ano ka na din? Okay kayo? Sure na yun?
No, hindi ba?